Happy Saturday. Running errands right now. After I run errands, I'm gonna clean my car and review my new 4K camera. I want to get my car as clean as possible and feature it with my new camera. Finally upgrading my film equipment. Most of my videos, if I'm not using my GoPro, I'm using this camera, Kodak PixPro $60 camera. The quality is just acceptable, but it was time to upgrade. Tip of the day, lesson of the day, don't get a black car. They're really nice when they're freshly washed, but that only lasts for 14 minutes before they're dirty again. I cleaned my car 15 minutes ago, and this is what it looks like. See the dirt right there? It looks good from far away, but when you get close, you see all the dirt build up. Seriously though, this is this is taking it out twice after washing it. This is driving my car twice. So if you want to keep it somewhat clean, don't drive it at night. Don't let the condensation build up on the car and then drive it, because it's going to leave dirt streaks on the car. So this is 2 days after washing it, like 2 drives, and that's what it looks like already. Looks good from far away. So I'm going to clean it up real good. So here's my new camera right here. So the reason why I ended up with this, actually, it was actually on accident. Man, it looks really pretentious, doesn't it? The only thing missing is, so it has the lens hood, the mic. The only thing I didn't get is the little handle for it. That would have made me look really pretentious, like a art student. But the reason why I ended up with this camera is because I lost my GoPro. It fell off the mount. So I was like, man, I need another GoPro. I had a GoPro Hero 3. So I said, you know what, I'll upgrade my GoPro. So we're at Hero 9 now, and Hero 9s are like $400. So I was like, I'm not going to spend $400 on a camera. So I was just browsing cameras, and I found this for $130, and it came with the mic, it came with the hood lens, or the lens hood. So I said, you know what, I don't like to spend more than $100 on cameras. I actually, you know, I like to spend my money on my projects versus film equipment, but this is only $30 over my camera budget when I do get a new camera. So I was like, I'll give it a shot. And instead of getting a newer GoPro, I still got a Hero 3, but it's a Hero 3 Plus. My last GoPro was a Hero 3. So there you go. Upgrading my film equipment. Finally. I hope this is twice as nice looking as the camera I'm using right now. If it's twice as nice looking, I'll be really happy with this purchase. So there it is. Gonna clean up my car, get it super shiny, and film it with this. So obviously I run a automotive related channel, so I'm gonna feature my car. I feature my vehicles on this channel, so what better way to test out this camera than to shine up this car right here. Yeah, it looks good from far away. When you get close, you can see all the dirt. I like to talk random facts. So, chrome wheels, right? Is it true? Are there any European viewers watching this right now? If you're European, is it true that Europeans don't like chrome? Like, is that an American thing? So, I noticed like Ferraris, Lamborghinis, they don't have chrome wheels. And European cars like BMWs, Audis, there's no chrome wheels for them. And this is the first time Chevy, GM, is not offering chrome wheels on new Corvettes. The C8 Corvettes, I want to say there's no chrome option. Hopefully the microphone on my new camera will stop wind noise. I don't know how much wind noise I'm getting right now, but that microphone is supposed to stop it. But there's your worthless facts of the day. That might not be facts, that's just what I heard. Europeans don't like chrome. I think chrome looks really good, especially on a black car. I had 2 choices for color, and I didn't prefer one or the other. I either wanted a red Z06 or a black one. And if I got a red one, I think I wouldn't have wanted chrome wheels on it, but since this is a black car, I think chrome looks really good on it. Alright guys, new camera tomorrow. Gonna clean this up real good right now.